Oh, okay. Hmm. So I'm recording this on 15th October 2021 and 12:40 at night or early morning Indian Standard Time. So let's see what's happening over here. So HCL Tech had their quarterly results yesterday and it went like profit was up 1.6%. Good. And they're adding more and more people, 11,135. Microsoft is shutting down LinkedIn in China. Okay. Yeah, and I read ki Wipro is hiring 17,000 freshers this year, FY 2022. They had some 11,000 last year. This time they're going to go up. Their CFO, Jatin Wipro, Jatin CFO, Jatin Dalal. So this guy said uh, they're going to hire 17k freshers this year. So okay. So I came across this talk with the specialty food ingredients. So okay. So does it's high risk. I mean it's volatile. Its beta is four times like yeah 4 times as volatile as Nifty. Okay, it's a small cap, 174% returns. Nifty has given up around 50 to 53% in the last 1 year in the same period. Alright, let's see the max. Okay, it IPO'd, listed on 15 on March 2. Okay, till here it was stagnant. Gave a good result here, return here. So stagnant, COVID boom and boom. Actually, yeah, COVID boom, I can say. Even during this COVID, see how much it fell 65, 25%, and then boom, rocket. So, let's see this. Okay, alright. So, um, yeah, it's like swinging a lot 25%, 25%. It was swinging a lot before, and then March 2019 this COVID hit, didn't fall much, 25% it was already falling, and yeah, didn't fall, like it continued the trend. Now let's see, yeah, see here it boom like anything and booming. Okay, so these guys, what do they do? Food color manufacturing, synthetic food colors. So this is a bad thing as per health people are concerned, or aunties and uncles are concerned. But yeah, okay. Peers, Deepak Nitrite, they don't do food colors, I guess. Chemicals, yeah, and they are not actually per se peers. I don't think they are. Hmm. Hold on a minute. Solar industry. These are not solar. Okay. These are also commodity. Okay. They are categorizing on this basis, but they are actually way too different. Just because chemicals, they are not the same. Okay. So solar industries, these guys don't manufacture solar at all. Explosives, yeah. So this is also commodity chemicals. These are food colors. All right. These are Deepak Nitrite is a good company. Hold on a minute. Okay. So these are bulk specialty chemicals. No, they are not at all related. Just because chemicals. Yeah. So these are solar industries. They manufacture explosives, right? And these guys boomed at some point of time last year or before the year before that. Why? Because some good news came along the lines of solar industry, renewables. So this gain it hit the upper circuit, I guess, during this period, sometime this period. So that's funny. What's in the name? And yeah, see, it's purely an explosive. Look at their profit. They are consistent with their profits. Profit. See, flat. ये भी थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे it's going, but how consistent these profits are. Next contract, are they going to blast up coal India? Like coal mines. Eight new mines. Okay, there. So what? Oh God! Look at this. Look at this. Up. See the up. Opened way too high. Much higher. 8% higher. Let me see this. 7% higher. Right? Yeah. So. Yes. Yeah. Coming back to this Vidhi. Profit double. 15 से 30. 85, 86%. It's almost double. 15.6. Then 5 crore ka gap we have 16%. Here also 134. Yeah, 7%. Yeah, so this looks good. Returns 500%. So we saw na कि एक साल they gave 174% returns. Okay. Balance sheet over than increasing market share. This important. Okay. Okay, the net income. They might go, you can say. So here, let's see the EPS. बढ़ रहा है धीरे धीरे. Investors presentation. थोड़ा देखना what these people do. 5th August, 15th October है आज. तो 2 महीना late, 2 months, 10 days. So they're saying food colors. ये बच्चों के लिए it's good. Improves the appearance. Yes. Visually appealing. Changes the perceived flavor. Yes, it does. Huge growth. I don't see this as a huge growth. 6% का अगर क्या huge growth नहीं होता. Like there are industries which grow at 30% CAGR, right? So I don't think it's a huge growth as they're saying. But ठीक है, आप सर्च वो इंडिया में अगर बैन हो गया तो फिर थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. If their major income comes from India. Okay, so incremental growth of ठीक है 1500 crores. Okay, it's good, but look at this ना, this percentage matters. Amount जितना भी हो. Second largest in Asia. Oh, very nice. 80 countries. कितने countries है total? 192. half of तो भरता है. Okay, so 3500 अभी है existing capacity plus 8500 metric tons per acre. I don't know. Per annum, sorry, should be per annum. So they are expanding, like their existing, say they are doubling, more than doubling, More than double is under expansion. It's not like 3500 is becoming 7000. 3500 plus 8500, so 3 times हो जाने वाला है. Okay, existing से. Okay, cash flows, let's see. वैसे उसमें रहेगा. Okay, capex, so 4 करोड़ का capex है. Okay, this is little bit troubling, but बाकी तो it's going up and down. 20 से 30 के बीच में है. 22, it's between 20 to 30 crores. And yeah, capital capex is looking consistent, 3 to 4 crores. Not that consistent, but in the past 3 years, if we see 4, 5, 4, 3, yeah, 1 to 2 crores up and down. So they are also into this lipstick and cosmetics, pharma, home care products, personal care products, pet foods. Good portfolio of this edible color technology. So yeah, edible color. So that which can be consumed, not necessarily consumed, but safe to be ingested, right? So it looks fine to me. 30 metric tons per month. Yeah, PA means it's an per annum. 55 double. Again 30. They are adding 30 in about 6 years. In every 6 years they are adding 30 metric tons per month. Okay, right? And look at this, 60 in 6 years. So the growth rate has doubled. Okay, so this is dy by dx. So dy by dx is how much we see, 30, right? 30 per 6 year, right? So you can say per year it's about 5. 30 by 6 is 5, right? So dy by dx is 5, but here dy by dx goes to 10. So d square by dx square double. That's going up, like dy by dx has doubled, so d square by y by dx square is also up. Okay, and then again in 4 years, 100. Good growth here, starting here. 250 to 125, 150, 1. Okay, every 4 years now there, 125. So it's about 30 per year. Okay, so here they were at 30 in 6 years. Here is 30 per year. So yeah, it's quite good. And here see, tripling, literally tripling, 600 metric tons. So school, so capex huge, spending a lot on expansion. Lake grade foods, this, that, blends. Okay, it's a portfolio of water. Okay, water soluble colors, lake colors. These are lake colors, maybe. What are lakes? Lakes in colors. Let's see what that means. Insoluble material that colors by dispersion, like dye. Google. Google lake versus dye. Pigment. Okay, so they have a metallic salt dependency. Okay, doesn't matter. So yeah, these are the color profiles. These are colors. If you have watched this Brooklyn Nine-Nine, the last season, season 8, so there you can see Captain Holt and this uh, Raymond Holt, yeah, and his husband. They are speaking of the color of the bird over there. Yeah, so these specific color names reminded me of that. Okay, so these have Some plants, okay. Yeah, yeah, see, we saw that, right? 3x in 2 years. 3x in 2019, almost 3 years, 2 years. They are planning to do 3x. Okay, okay. Capex 30 crores. So we are in August. They said 12 months. So by next August, they are thinking. So capex phase one, phase two. I don't see much difference. But yeah, see 360, 350. So 600. They are plusing, right? So yeah, demand supply gap. So yeah, so they are saying that the demand is quite good for this. I don't. I saw the 6% they are assuming, but yeah, I guess the supply is quite less compared to the demand. So highly diversified food, confectionery, pharma, personal care, cosmetics. So yeah, they are not bound to any single, what we say, not bound to specialty food, right? Per se, as the name suggests, it's not like that. Okay, so who are the clients? Britannia biscuits, Nestle coffee, Maggie, Coca-Cola, Cipla, Pharma, Parle-G food, FMCG, again Cola, Pepsi, Mars chocolate, Pfizer, Pharma, ITC, Sanofi. Yeah, so Pharma mainly their thing comes from, yeah, it's quite well distributed. Not like you can see chocolates here, one, two, three, Coca-Cola like drinks, one, two, FMCG like shampoos and all, Unilever soaps, biscuits again, biscuits. So Cadillac, these are pharma. So they are quite well distributed. Okay, all right, yeah. So let's see, Americas. So Americas, they are getting 50% of their sales. Okay, so the revenue is coming from the America. So they have quite a good amount, right? PNG and Cipla. Cipla, I'm not sure, but the other one, Pfizer vaccines, right? So they have quite a good, stable, you know, demand over there. So continent wise, what is this? Okay, Q1 FY 2020. So the distribution percentage wise, right? So okay, right. So it's not much different. Okay, what is this here? How do we differentiate these colors? Too bad. What is this? Bolivia, France, Georgia, USA, Malaysia. Too bad. Useless, I must say. I guess it would be USA, like given this. So this is USA for sure. This could be Mexico, Vietnam. So the dark. I don't know how you guys see it, but Vietnam matches mostly with. Oh no, this color, this dark green, which isn't there on the legend. Too bad. I will use this. Okay, so most of the sales come from US, so they won't ban all this. They are quite open on food synthetics, right? Compared to India, I think they should be fine. It's not like any country or any. Yeah, see, US FDA, this thing I was saying, regulatory approvals. So US approval. These can get banned any day. Certificate, be any number of number one in. Okay, to be our ISO certificate leave, stringent checks, this that. High margin products. So they are, see, they're continuously doing R&D, special niche products to enhanced revenue से margins. This is important. Margin कभी भी, anytime. Maximum utilization of capacity. Okay. Increasing global presence. Yeah, we saw number two in Asia, so that's quite a good thing. Customer satisfaction. Okay. 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 Yeah, given that. Mm, diversified uses. This is good. Okay. So regulatory, which is a main risk. Good. Revenue visibility. I don't see anything like that, but okay, it's fine. Good profitability, right? Yeah. Customer and geography expansion. So MNCs are their customers, diversified sectors, diversified usage, and products are diversified, customers are diversified. Variant is, the spectrum is large. So what else do you need, right? Okay, I see the Manik family is into this big promoters. Manik of Vidhi Manik, co-founder. Okay, no. Vidhi Specialty Food Promoters. Yeah, we have this site called screener.in, right? So what will be the, so promoter holding consistent, nobody is selling anything. Bipin Manik, Pravina Manik. Okay, public 35, 35, 30. It's all good. 5555 share. Okay, okay. Where is the PNL? Let me see the today moving average. How the stock. Yeah, it's slowly growing, right? If you see here, look at the slope, slowly growing. So I think it's a good growth company. P ratio, it's quite overpriced, but fine, fine. Today we cannot look at the valuations. Looking at Nifty at 18K, it's fine. What else do we have? Revenue jump, डेढ़ गुना, 1.5 times. Profit after tax double. EBITDA double. So what is doubled in quarter, year on year? Okay, first quarter of FY 2022 means the financial year ending on March 2022. The first quarter of that, which would be April 2021 to uh, June 2021. So what are we looking at? Okay, so these guys are focused on US clients, right? So 50% come from of the sales are from US, right? So generally what do these guys do is, American guys, they write it from right to left. So this comes before, this comes after. This to this, double. What is double? Profit after tax. But the look at the margin, EPS double. Yeah. So look at the margin. Margin has gone down. Means their sales, or like the profit upon the earnings. So that's going down. Oh, okay. EBITDA 16% CAGR, 8.4. Sales is growing at a good rate. Fine. 6% CAGR was the sector uh, demand growth, right? So their sales are growing, means they are capturing the market. So it's good. And as you saw, like it's number two in Asia. Mm, it should be good. Look at this, nice, good. 25% CAGR on PAT. This doesn't matter. Pat. Okay, right. This is good. Consolidated P&L. CAGR of 25.6. What? Profit. Profit after tax, right? Yeah. So in the past 5 years, it's right to left. So in the past 5 years, consistent profit growth. But look at this sales growth, 8% CAGR. The demand growth, 6%. Sales is growing, they're capturing the market, and then they're also increasing their margin. Very good, very nice. Okay, assets. Look at the assets. See, here they might some depreciation. Do we have depreciation? Hmm, what happened here? Inventory. Okay, inventory. They reduced their stock maybe. Trade receivable. Okay, look at this. This is good. They have uh, cash receivables, right? Like they are to be paid. Someone has to pay them, so they will receive this month. So that comes under assets, and whatever they have payables. So this is the opposite of receivable. So in accounting, what we say like this is liability. They have to pay this much, and this is what they'll receive. They have to receive. That could be like short-term credit or something which isn't of much concern. Just for the balance sheet, it has to be done. Bank balance, okay, other bank balance. Loan is increasing. It was consistent, then sudden spike. Maybe due to COVID, but other financial assets also increased. Okay, loans. Okay. Hmm. So much of the things look good from this point, from what I'm seeing. Net cash, cash flow from investing. See financing. There are in there are three types of you know uh, activities: operating, investing, financing. So financing, sorry. So operating means what they use for regular basis: electricity, employee salaries, workers wages and all. Financing means they're financing their things, right? Like building, buying more equipments, building more things. So this is financing, right? So cash is going out means they're building stuff. Investing is they're investing in other companies. Okay. ROC, ROE about 15%. Return means what you're getting for capital employed, what your money you will put, what you're getting out of it, how much percent. If I give 100 rupees, they will produce 26% profit out of that. So this is good. Above 15 should be good from what I know so far. ROE, return on equity, again greater than 15. Okay. See, they are reducing that is going down. Okay, so so see, they are reducing the borrowings, they are increasing their cash equivalent, cash flow from operations, sustainable. Yeah, this is correct. So the company looks good. Let's let me see anyways the valuation, how good it is. 50. Yeah, but right now at this point I don't see what can we do of this valuation. So everything is overpriced. Look, see, market looks forward, right? Doesn't look back. Like looks, you need to look backward for future. But see, the market is always forward looking. They want to see what is going to happen next. Okay, so this peer, as I said, This is not exactly what I say. Let me check what we have in screener for Deepak. What do they exactly produce? I think crop and something. Uh, Brightening agent. See, they are not at all competing, right? They are just in the same sector. Doesn't mean they are competing with each other. Basic chemicals. They could be each other's what we say clients, but I don't see anything here. Them being the competitors of peers. Okay. Uh, Hold on a sec. Okay. Mm, Deepak. It is, this is also a good company to be invested in. This is going to go up. See the rocket. See the volume. If you see, look at this volume, man. Amazing. Okay. P ratio. So the price is going up. Price is going up, right? Up. Blue line. See, but look at this PE ratio. Earnings. Their profit is constantly going. Good thing to be invested here. Book valuation. See from 5 years. Okay, it's quarter on quarter. Let me see, we'll see over here. Okay. This will give me a good, what we say, growth percentage, right? Where do we see? Yeah, growth rate, right? Growth. Hmm. Look at this. 14, 63%. Good, solid growth. EPS also from last 3 years, doubling, tripling, two and a half. Here they slowed down a little bit, but look at it, awesome. Yeah, so looks good. So very specialties, I would say, yeah, we can see over the long term. These are looking very, you know, ambitious looking on that. It's a high risk stock, so need to be cautious in this. But I see no reason that they beat the market. They're looking at tripling their current production rate. They're acquiring more and more, you know, capturing the market. We saw the sales going up, right? The growth rate of uh, demand. So that was 6. The sales were going up at 8%, and yeah, they are improving their margins consistently. So it's not over, but okay, it doesn't matter. But yeah, it's a good stock to be, you know, invested into. Yeah, looks fun. And yeah, this is Windows 11. Yeah, Assassin's Creed Odyssey.